I have a male dog and my wife have a female dog. And we love two of them unconditionally. And they bring us a lot of joy. The male go by the name Chaka Zulu and the female Belle. Mr. Chaka show his manhood by peeing not all the time, occasionally. Every 6 months, I pick up all my Oriental rugs and take them to my shop to be cleaned organically from the urine odor. My name is Meir Martin. I am the owner and the inventor of the organic PetPeePee Oriental Rug Drapery Cleaning Company. I invented the cleaning process, the machine, and the odor-free organic cleaner from the Dead Sea. Take a look at the video from the beginning to the end. Hello, good morning. Today I received this is coming from Mrs. Adina. She's in California, 91361. And haha, this is nice. I like it very much. Look at this, beautiful. So she sent me the pictures of her cat. You can see it. This is nice. I'm gonna make a video of it. And this is the cat to be blamed. Haha, this is the one. I'm gonna put one panel here. And I ask everybody, when he send me the drapery, please put the bottom of the drapery in the plastic bag, like this one. When you fold it, the smell of the cat's pee here is not gonna be here because it's gonna be much more expensive to clean it. This one, it's already very hard to clean. Woo! Wow, the smell. The smell is so strong. First you're telling me, because when I sneeze, I know it's a cat. And the smell, it's so strong, I swear. So strong. You barely can see the stain. Very hard. It's here and here. Wow! I clean it. I'm using organic Dead Sea minerals. No odor, no deodorized, no soap. Simply minerals from the Dead Sea. Then I blend it in a special way. And I guarantee in writing, when I finish the process, I will ask Mrs. Adina to put her nose whatever she wants. No trace of urine odor. The drapery are not going to shrink. No colorant. Because it's a cold water, it's acidic cleaning process. I can drink the solution. It's bitter like the Dead Sea. However, it's healthy and environment cleaning process. So I'm going to work, and when I finished, I will show you tomorrow, before, today, and after, how I can put my nose, whatever you want. Let's see if we're having some stain here that you can see. But because it's such a high quality material, they don't have any stain. However, the odor, woo, wow. Thank you.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee.
Hello, my name is Meir Martin. I'm the owner and the inventor of PetPeePee system, a revolutionary way to clean Oriental rug, drapery, and furniture with the Dead Sea minerals.